Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The importance of the emotional attachment between the boy and the old man in the novel The Old Man and the Sea. Relationship between Santiago and Manuelan. Santiago and Manuelan are two major characters in the novel. The relation between them may be emotional, spiritual, professional, social, and personal. This relation keeps both of them hopeful and provides them joy. Santiago is an old fisherman. Manuelan is his assistant and pupil. Manuelan has been attached to Santiago since he was 5 years old. Once the old man could not catch any fish for 84 days. The other fishermen began to call him unlucky. The boy's parents compelled him to desert the old man. The boy was very sad. Even then, he kept visiting the old man daily. He brought him beer and food from the restaurant. Throughout the scheme of the novel, Manuelan is seen talking about the old man. He feels for him. He serves and obeys him at every step. He talks with him about the baseball and other superstars. He helps him in setting the skiff. He assures the old man that he is with him through thick and thin. When other fishermen make fun of the Santiago, he keeps his spirits high. He encourages him to work more. The old man also has great affections for the boy. The boy and the old man talk of their past adventures. They exchange their joys and miseries. Whenever the old man is alone and sad, the boy consoles and encourages him. They have different opinions about their favorite players of baseball, but there is never any conflict between them. The boy calls him the best fisherman. The old man always wishes the company of the boy whenever he is in trouble. He misses the boy and recalls so many good days when he was with him for fishing. The thoughts of the boy are thus a psychological cure for the old man. When the boy seizes him lying in the hut with his face downward, and palms turned onward, he begins to shriek, but he does not shriek aloud to make a show of his grief. He rushes out at once and brings hot coffee for him. He brings ointment for his injured hands. When the old man awakes, he begins to talk about fishing plans for future. He says, now we fish together. In short, both are passionately attached with each other. This relation is that of a teacher and pupil, or that of a father and adopted son. The boy's presence in the novel adds to the importance of the old man. Thanks.